Jesus died 2,000 years ago. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's such a laugh, Mrs. Preacher's wife. People think your husband is a Poe. Oh dear no. Oh dear no. We'd like to know a little bit about your mental state. We'd like to help you see your man's an ass. Look around you, all you see are sympathetic eyes. We all feel that you are slave to fucked up lies, and he's to you, Mrs. Preacher's wife. Jesus died 2,000 years ago. Whoa, whoa, whoa. God is a laugh, Mrs. Preacher's wife. People think your husband is a Poe. Oh dear no. No, no, no. Thrust a Bible in the face of everyone you see. Hit them with your homophobic placards. Tell them about the New World Order. Fill their minds with crap. Most of all, you must indoctrinate the kids. Cuckoo-cuckoo, Mrs. Preacher's wife. Was your husband always such a twat? Fancy that. Don't cook his meals, Mrs. Preacher's wife. Go on strike and make the bludger pay. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Heading to the trailer after preaching on the street. James lost the evolution debate. Cry about it, scream about it, there's laundry to do. Cut his socks to shreds and burn his tennis shoes. What do you think, Mrs. Preacher's wife? Do you have opinions of your own? Yours alone. Do you recall, Mrs. Preacher's wife? Were you once a young and godless child? Free and wild. Free and wild.